Welcome to Path of Life, your sanctuary for peace, relaxation, and profound rest. Tonight, I will guide you through a Yoga Nidra practice designed to help you release stress, overcome insomnia, and achieve the deep, restful sleep you deserve. Find a comfortable place to lie down, whether on your bed, a soft mat, or another cozy surface. Let your body feel supported. Close your eyes gently and take a long, slow breath in. Hold it for a moment and then exhale fully, releasing all the tension of the day. This time is for you. You are safe here, and this practice will guide you toward complete relaxation and rejuvenation. Let's begin. Stage 1. Grounding and body awareness. Start by grounding yourself. Feel the surface beneath you, steady, supportive, and comforting. Let your body sink deeper into this support with each breath. We will now begin a body scan to release tension and connect with each part of the body. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm golden light resting there, soft and soothing. As you inhale, allow this light to expand, and as you exhale, feel it melting away any tension or discomfort. Let the light flow down to your forehead, smoothing out any furrowed brows or tightness. Feel it move to your temples, your eyes, and your cheeks. Soften your jaw, releasing any tension you may be holding there. Allow the light to flow gently down your neck and shoulders. With each exhale, release the weight of the day, feeling your shoulders relax completely. Let the light flow down your arms, into your hands, and to the very tips of your fingers. Shift your awareness to your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. Imagine the golden light glowing warmly in your chest, expanding with each inhale and soothing with each exhale. Let this light move down your back, releasing any tightness along the spine. Bring the light to your abdomen, letting it soften and relax this area. Feel it travel to your hips, your thighs, and your knees. As it moves down your legs, allow it to ease any tension in your calves, ankles, and feet. Finally, let the light flow all the way to your toes, leaving your entire body bathed in warmth and peace. Stage 2. Breath awareness. Now let's deepen our relaxation by focusing on the breath. Begin by taking a deep inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4, and then exhale gently through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's repeat this pattern together. Inhale, hold, and exhale. As you continue this rhythm, imagine your breath as a soft wave, gently washing over you, clearing away any lingering tension. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Your breath is your anchor, keeping you calm and present. If any thoughts arise, simply observe them and let them drift away like clouds in a blue sky. Return to the rhythm of your breath. Stage 3. Visualization and deep relaxation. Now, I invite you to visualize a serene and peaceful place. This could be a tranquil beach with soft, warm sand beneath you and the sound of gentle waves in the distance. Or perhaps it's a quiet forest where the rustling of leaves and the songs of birds soothe your soul. Picture yourself in this place. Feel the textures, hear the sounds, and sense the peace it brings you. As you rest in this serene environment, silently repeat an intention or affirmation that resonates with you. It could be, I am calm, I am safe, or I am ready for deep sleep. Let this intention settle deeply into your mind and body. Stage 4. Yoga Nidra, rotation of consciousness. In this phase, we'll move through the body systematically, bringing awareness to each part without judgment or effort. Start with your right hand thumb. Notice it fully. Now, bring your awareness to your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Feel your entire right hand. Shift your attention to your right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Let the awareness flow down your right side, moving to your hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and toes. Now, repeat this process on the left side, starting with your thumb and moving through each part of your body. As we complete the rotation, allow your awareness to rest in the whole body simultaneously, feeling a deep sense of wholeness and peace. Stage 5. Deep silence and rest. Now, let yourself drift into stillness. You are completely at peace, your body relaxed and your mind quiet. In this space, there is nothing you need to do. Simply rest and let yourself be. If thoughts or sensations arise, acknowledge them gently and let them fade away. You are surrounded by calm, supported by peace, and embraced by the quiet of this moment. Transition to sleep. As we near the end of this practice, feel the stillness within and around you. If you are ready to drift into sleep, allow yourself to stay where you are, letting this peaceful state carry you into a deep and restful slumber. If you are transitioning back to wakefulness, begin to bring gentle movement to your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need it. Wishing you peaceful sleep and sweet dreams.